Oh my god, this is so cool.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did when you out and without any doubt, I'm a me, I feel I know
go when you're بحياة وحن تجي cafe La Scale وحنا مرينا يعني السوق كتالو. I believe it's located in the souk, but I'm really excited. We're gonna go for coffee banso don nina, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I've heard really good things. One مغلي cafe La Scale اللي في عني هاي. Oh my god, شني قاعد وين بطاقة تطالع. Guys, there was a big bee at the window. I saved the day. It was like this big. But I'm gonna call my doy now. Doy the area, and then I'm out. Oh yeah, and subscribe to this video. Subscribe Isara. If you guys are new, so do that. And also leave a comment. If you look down, you would notice that I respond and I like and I love. وحنجعلها comments all done, so leave me a comment scored on one akhriya, and I will see you guys. Oh wait, no, I mean it's not the end of the video, sorry, bad habit. I think my Duay is like Uber here, right? What is a Formula or was a Formula 1 driver in a past life. Basically Duay driver ki garaga speed badan bu garaga kuwaday. I found a place. When I was outside the building, I bumped into this girl that was subscribed to my channel, and she was so lovely. She was like, "Are you Rahma? وحنا ركي كبر channel كي كحيران مقعدنا رحمة بوها." She was like, "My name's Rahma too." And I just want to shout out everybody that's so lovely that subscribed to my channel, that supports me. I really do appreciate you all, and also I really do like meeting you guys when I bump into you guys out and about. I'm here, also got my shoe. It's really quite big and pretty in here. I like the I like the traditional like material, like the way that it's been incorporated into like the theme of the restaurant. So I'm waiting for my friend. I'm gonna try and find somewhere to pray actually while I'm waiting. In Tansugiyo Mel and Kutukanekro. So let me just go ask. This water is so cute. It's like from the caves of Lascaux. Also, I found somewhere to pray in the restaurant, which is really nice. They're like this divider. Iced chai latte. Oh, chai latte me. Can I have ice vanilla latte? لبا ice vanilla latte al-Mara'i.
لبا ice vanilla
latte al-Mara'i.
I was going to get the last scale last time, but where is it?
The last scale sandwich.
So they mix all this stuff together.
Beef chicken flakes.
I think they mean like strips.
Beef and chicken in one sandwich.
Yeah. They have croissants and stuff.
They have masala chips.
Do you even do them?
Masala chips in
locations.
No, that's the place I went to. Freeway are quite good.
Is it? You had it?
Yeah, I had it. It's nice.
I've been craving them.
They're actually really good. I'll go back for them. Let's go back.
Because they love their sweetness here, isn't it? Is it nice?
Which one's nice?
I don't mind anything but the tiramisu because you have coffee.
Okay. Carrot cake?
Yeah, let's try carrot cake.
Is it closed?
I know.
And it's open. Assalamu alaikum. This shop is cute. Oh my god, they got cute little beach bags and stuff. We've just found this shop. وحن دكانكم بان هلني. والله دكانكم محل راح ده. Tash. The shop we're called is Tash. دكانك Tash بالي راح ده. We're like looking for عباية بان ديدينا This purple abaya that's literally calling my name. Abaya that's heard because as we عليها. The mother was on so in my head, مسكح ضيدي وحشة basically mother ibso. Okay, his mother valid on so I need to be sensible and unsensible. Oh, it's cute. It's quite cute, no?
I think it's good. Yeah. But it's got a weird fit. Do you want to feel it?
كون لبا مشرا.
Oh yeah. That one's cute. Isn't it?
وانت عليك على قوس حب وانت ذهب ويجي
هذا نوش عليها.
Let's have a look at the ring. The ring is cute. It's really cute. Let me show it.
This jewelry is super cute. Bracelet. How do you say bracelet in Somali? Bracelet. Gacan. Gacan combine yeah. And it's so pretty, guys. I found this abaya. It's like a really nice brown color. Abaya banhale. It's like a really nice brown color for yeah. Tell me how to say brown in the comments. But pattern your style can add the size can see we're 58. I'm not gonna 56. It's so cute. It's literally so cute. So I don't know because even like 56, size 56 is too tall for me. 56 with a dari height. Dari wise, I'm 54.
I got too attached, now I'm working on my health. Wanna be a savage, thinking about yourself.
So close. So guys, basically we decided to come to Damel for drinks and maybe snacks and also maybe food. Guys, I love this blueberry mojito. I had it the first day when I came. Blueberry mojito kind of I shut the water and I was like, I love it so much. But then it wasn't here for a little bit and now it's here again, so yeah. Imagine. So guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Guys, you know what, I just woke up, made a little lovely, well I didn't actually just wake up, but I made a cup of coffee and I looked over and I saw this banana and I was like, I haven't actually had a banana since I've been here, you know. It's not giving Somali, do you know what I mean? My brain actually doesn't work in the mornings. I'm gonna get my editing done. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna make a little. It's basically the past 2 days I've been smelling something like fruit, but I didn't know what it was. I thought, what is that? And then now I just realized it's guava. I didn't know that guava grew here as well. So I'm going to do a bit of editing, sit outside, have a little coffee, and then I'm gonna make a guava juice. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Hey guys!
Like, comment and subscribe. I have words for you guys though. I have noticed there's a portion of you guys that are not subscribed to my channel. إذنك and subscribe and like and comment. However, I do appreciate those that have been doing the likes and the comments, and I respond to all comments, guys. Comment because the one could respond, so comment isar, like isar, and yeah, comment, and because I do like reading comments, like I can't lie. I think I'm gonna be a bit more consistent and upload like every few days and more like do daily vlogs like I was doing in Dubai. But I think and doing more vlogs and I upload. Let me know more vlogs me doing scene, or it's like 1 or 2 a week, or like what do you guys want to see? Okay, let me know each social media what doing scene in Arabtin each shega. Okay. You know what I said to this woman? I told her I wanted the I wanted the hidyo material. You know what came out of my mouth? I said to her, I asked her, where's the best place to get Dagan Alice material?
Together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved.
Oh my god, make some for me. Oh, is that enough for everybody? I don't know. Are you sure? Come on, that's not that much. That's nothing. Really good at something. So guys, I'm currently in the souk. I'm making my way to Theatrica. Gonna meet my friends. Really like a small amount of shopping. It's a Friday, which is like the weekend. So as you can see, always today's Friday, Saturday, today's Saturday. No, today's Friday. So it's like the weekend. There's a lot of people about, there's quite a bit of traffic here, and yeah, it's super busy. You know this guy visited before the fire? Ah, it's all new. Yeah. So guys, we're in the souk right now. Imagine. Hello, hey, where are you?
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand.
This is kind of cute, guys. I think this with a little bit of sparkle.
Yeah.
We'll give it like summer vibes.
Oh my god, yeah, I got one.
Maybe like a black vibe.
Yeah.
One hum for a black abaya. That one is cute though, the one that Ayan's pointed to, the abaya. Yeah. So guys, we're currently in the theatre. Oh my gosh, there's so much cute stuff here. I'm looking at this thing over there with feathers. Yo, can you see the feathers? Yasmin, can you see the feathers?
Yeah. Oh, so you can't even wear this.
Yeah.
Hello.
I know. Should we come back on a different day? Or?
Yeah, I feel like also should we pay inside all the shop that we spent it?
So these lipsticks are like $1.
Oh, this one's really nice.
Well, I'll test them myself.
Yeah.
Is this a lip gloss? It's a lip gloss.
It looks really nice. Even this, I was looking at this one.
Oh my god, these look so good. So we had a look at some makeup. I was looking for like a light lipstick, but I couldn't find one. And we're literally just looking around. There's like so many shops here. I actually do need like an oversized hoodie because it gets cold sometimes if I can find one. So guys, shopping was great. Now we're gonna go and have a little movie night. We're gonna get food, we're gonna get snacks, and it's like an outdoor vibe. We're hoping it doesn't rain because it looks like it looks, oh my god, yeah, and it looks like it's gonna rain. Because I need to fix my screen. So guys, currently we're at Afro Juice. We're going to Afro Juice, and we got a little snack because we're taking a movie night. We're going to a movie night at the Ankara Center. So yeah, we're very excited. We're going to grab a little takeaway because we're a bit tired from shopping. I didn't even get anything. Whatever man eats in, but one so darling. And yeah. We are just a little bit late, so we're gonna hope for the best, and we're fashionably late because we got some lovely little meals to enjoy the movie with.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know it.
This is so cute. They remind me. You guys do Somali lessons here? Oh, that's so cute. The flooring is really pretty as well. Oh, this painting is so cool. Oh, the library. Oh my god, this place is so adorable. It's so cute. Oh, I love it. I love this piece of artwork.
I know, right?
There's like these biggest crowd of dogs.
Oh, this one is cute.
Oh no, it's coming. It's coming. I got so scared. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, no, beef burger.
It's cute. $83
That's my favorite.
So guys, two avocados. I'm so gassed. Let's see how.